Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke wenze okulungile laphana-ke ucindezele ibhathini laphana-ke subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje, yonke ngisho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzothola zonke iy'ndaba esikulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli udaba ekulethele lona-ke namhlanje lithi-ke kushubile laphana ngenkathi-ke abe-MK bevakashele amahhovisi e-IEC laphana-ke beshubisa emva kokuthi-ke kuvele ukuthi-ke uRamaphosa wake waba ne-meeting nabaphathi laphana-ke be-IEC na-ke abe-MK-ke beke baziyela mathupha-ke laphana emahhovisi e-IEC laphana-ke bethi-ke uRamaphosa-ke kunomkhonyovu abeyowenza ne-IEC ngokusho kwabo, kodwa-ke ikhona ikliphu-ke uzoyizwela wena-ke. Mina ngisacela kuwe laphana usingene ema-comment section ufike ubhale ukuthi ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke leli-ke basicindezela nebhathini laphana-ke subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala, ngisho nesenti elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le kliphu-ke awuyithokozele.
Those who don't know where we are because you don't know how you live
in our share.
We are in the headquarters of IEC. Yes. That's where we are. Cyril Ramaphosa has bought IEC, has used IEC as his tool. He doesn't want Zuma because he knows that these elections are about ANC and MK.
Yes.
Zuma and Cyril.
Yes.
Who's winning?
Zuma.
They don't want him. They are being bought. They are selling an agenda of a revolution. Yes. We have two options. It's either we submit or we fight. So, comrades, what I want from them is a letter that says Zuma is eligible.
Yes. There's nothing else. Yes.
That's all. Calls to us. So if it means that you must attack with them, I'll come to you. I'll attack them first.
Yes.
I want peace. I want slave in Simpson. I want to be fine. But I will never surrender revolution in the name of peace.
Yes.
Commander Money. We are winning this election. Commander Money. Somebody knows. Ramaphosa knows. They know we are winning. The country is on our side.
Yes.
They are
selling themselves to us.
We don't buy people with food. We don't buy people with taxes, but no, we come in our own. This is a revolution. We are winning. When we win,
We
hands will come loose.
Yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah.
I'll never follow you.
We trust you.
Amanda. Amanda.